Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Forex. As you can see, I'm in a trade on volatility 10. So if you take a look at this, you see that I have these multiple rejections, or should I say a zone. First of all, before you trade this synthetic or anything volatility, you should first of all spot out zones from where you are expecting the reversal. I think this is the difference between this. More like it's kind of general, but this works well for volatilities, unlike a currency pair. So even if you don't know where to find these other blocks, or you are finding it hard to spot these things, you can start using the method of finding zones from higher time frame, then waiting for the market to tap into that zone. Then you scale down to smaller time frames, the smaller ones, then you find your reversal or your entry points from there. So from the 4 hours, you can see I've marked out this zone as the market taps into it. Then I'll keep going down the smaller time frames. What I'm looking for now is a reversal pattern. You can see from the 5 minutes time frame, you can see this already. I believe you are seeing it. So this is a QM pattern. I might also decide not to call it a QM pattern, but I can see this other block from where the market has tapped in and started going up from. You can see this. Just focus on the screen so you see what I'm doing. You can see this other block, 5 minutes other block. So this other block here, you can see the market took out this high, and then you see all these liquidities from the downside. The market took out the liquidity. Let me mark that so that you'll be seeing it. There's a breakup structure here. These highs are not equal. So after the breakup structure, you can see the liquidity. You see that? See how the market took out these lows and tapped into this other block. Immediately I spotted this. It's a buy. Now I'm going to be targeting these highs, though some of the positions will be closed around this place. Then I will leave some for this high. It's just a 5 minutes high. It's not that far. So another confirmation is if I change this to line chart, you see the whole thing clearer. I believe you are seeing this already. So actually I'm seeing this QM pattern here. Even now, like right now, I'm expecting a little pullback. Okay, let's see how that goes. Let's see how it goes. Okay, let me zoom in and show you why I said I'm expecting a little pullback. So the market has passed the place already. See this. This is a QM from the 1 minute time frame, though it might not hold because the higher time frame setups are more valid. I believe you are seeing it already. Sorry about that, guys. So what I'm basically doing is trying to mark out the QM patterns. So whether this one holds or not, it doesn't really matter because I don't have the setup from higher time frame. So that is why I tell you, anytime you spot the higher time frame zones, then you go down to smaller time frame to confirm the entry. That's what the higher time frame does for you. So you don't use a particular time frame to trade. You use all of them. So this is just simple, guys. If you are trading synthetic, I believe trading currency pair is easier. I don't know for some people what they feel about it, but currency pair is easier to trade. But they all have the same method. In terms of people who are trading SMC, you use other blocks and all that. So, but in this trading journey, you just have to combine everything you know or everything you've learned so far. So now with this line chart, this line chart is also another secret that people are using. So you have to learn these things and start using them. And whenever you learn something, go to your screen and start practicing them. That's one of the ways too. So I believe you are seeing this now. So guys, I'm expecting a reversal from here because this is already looking like a structure other block. So any other block that takes out, you can see this breakout structure to the downside. So from this 5 minutes time frame, it looks like we are coming down, right? You can see the series of breakout structures to the downside. You can see all these breakout structures. You can see them. So they're coming down. See the breakout structures. So now any other block like this one that takes out a low is called a structural order block, or is it a structural order block, something like that. So a structural order block. So the market is supposed to at least pull back from here. So I'm going to be taking some of the profit here, and then I also lock the remaining to target this high. So the structural order block is the one that the nearest order block that takes out the low or the high, depending on the scenario. While the extreme order block is called the original order block, the one that initiated the move at the first place. So their names doesn't really matter. What matters is whenever you spot these things, you know how to use them. So the market is trying to pull back. So this video is not going to be long, guys. You already know how these things work. So if you are new to my channel, please like my videos and subscribe. Alright guys, thank you for watching my videos.